Hi boys and girls, today we're going to work on lesson 12.6. 12.6 focuses on metric units of length. So remember, we're measuring how long something is. In the United States, like I said before, we typically use measurements like feet, inches, and yards when we are measuring length, but around the world, other people use the metric system. So today it is the metric system, or the way that people measure length around the world. So I'm going to also remind you to remember to use your conversion chart because it will give you all of the conversions you need in order to use the metric system to measure length and convert different units of the metric system. So taking a look at our first problem here, it says 2 meters equals blank decimeters. So meters and decimeters are two ways to measure length in the metric system. In your conversion chart, you'll see that 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. DM stands for decimeter. Now, we can use the T-chart that we've been using in our customary units, and we can also do that with the metric system too. So, taking a look at our T-chart, we're going to have meters and decimeters. 1 meter is 10 decimeters, but we want 2 meters. So 2 meters, I'm going to add another set of 10 or do 2 times 10. 10 plus 10 is 20, or 10 plus 10 is 20. So I know that 2 meters is equal to 20 decimeters. Looking at the next one, we have another conversion. This one is converting centimeters into millimeters. Millimeters are very, very tiny. If you're thinking of a ruler, on the centimeter side, it's those little tiny tick marks. So again, I'm going to set up a conversion chart. I'm going to put cm on one side for centimeters, and I'm going to put mm on the other side for millimeters. From my conversion chart, I know that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. I want to get all the way to 3 centimeters and see how many millimeters that is equal to. So 2 centimeters would be 20 millimeters because I did 2 times 10. 3 centimeters would be 3 times 10, which is 30. So 3 centimeters is the same thing or equal to 30 millimeters. Finally, in the last problem, we have 2 meters is equal to blank millimeters. This conversion is 1 meter is equal to 1,000 millimeters. So you need a lot of millimeters in order to equal 1 single meter. I'm going to use my conversion chart again. I'm going to put meters on one side and millimeters on the other. 1 meter, again, is 1,000 millimeters. So each time I count, I'm going to be going up by 1,000. So 2 meters is the same thing as 2,000 millimeters. So again, this is very similar to using the customary units because all you're doing is finding the relationship, which is given to you on your conversion chart, and then figuring out how that applies to greater numbers as you go down your T-chart.